Where's your baby?
Top left drawer. Top left drawer. Are you filming? Al, here is your cereal. Here, get her food. What do you think about that? Are you ready?
That was disgusting.
Are you ready? Put your bibby on. Get me, Daddy. Hi. Here we go, Daddy. Here's our first bite. Ready?
I gotta see it.
Ready?
Okay, yummy.
What is that?
Is that good? What was that? Do you want some more? Want some more? Yeah? What was that? Oh! Do you want some more? You want to feed yourself? You try.
She's not gonna feed herself, hon.
I know, I'm just teasing. Okay, wait, Jax, are you still filming? Here we go. It might be a little thick for her first try. One more bite.
Yummies. Nom.
Come close up. What do you think? Come close up.
I've been doing close up.
Let me wipe that up off your face. You like it?
Okay, let's try one more bite. Ready? Up here.
What's the whole ball?
Come closer, Jackson.
Just came out.
How is
Get that in
it?
your mouth.
Is it yummy? Yay! Al, you did good. You want some more? I'm gonna try it. Ready? Mmm. It's very sweet. That's because it's got breast milk. I just ate it with the breast milk.
You didn't eat it.
Oh, these dinners are gonna get awful messy.
You.
So are her diapers.
Oh yeah. The diapers start getting solid.
Are you eating that? Are you playing with it?
Good girl.
Good to go.
Yeah, that's good.
That's
Say
good.
bye bye.
Yeah, stop
Bye bye.
Alright, thanks, Jackson. Jackson. Jackson.